How many of you think that reaching on time is the most beneficial thing you can do to somebody? Maybe yourself too. Maybe you're going somewhere, maybe for an interview, and you're not on time. You may have missed the opportunity of your lifetime. When are you going to meet someone, leave your home prior to some extra time, maybe half an hour, 1 hour, so depending on the destination you want to reach. Somehow there might be multiple problems in the way. Maybe there's a traffic, maybe your car got punctured, anything happens. But you should respect the time of others as well as yours. Others, in the sense, when somebody wants to meet you, you should be on time. You should reach on time, maybe beforehand, before 15 or 20 minutes. And for yourself, you should at least respect your time and do something valuable, whatever you can do in your spare time. Don't waste it. This is the only thing you can't get back. Money once lost can be earned, but time once lost never be earned again. There's a very good proverb that says, if you respect time, time will respect you. And this is very right. Long time back, I was waiting for someone and he is late by half an hour. You see how people respect the time of others? I'm a very patient guy. So I have a lot of patience in me. So I have it. Maybe that wasn't some important business meeting or a business presentation. What happens then? In that case, you might have lost the business or your career opportunity of lifetime. To all my friends who are watching this video, I request to do respect the time of yours as well as of the others, because it is never be earned. Reach your destination, leave your home early and reach your destination as early as possible. Nobody will say, why are you so early at the destination? Instead, they will praise you that you are so eager to meet someone or maybe for an interview. So now onwards, respect time of others as well as yours.